YouTube? What is going on? It is the most inconsistent YouTuber back again today with another beater box. We got Soul Supremacy beater box, man. Y'all know what the deal is. Here we got a, how much was this box? For all you new members, if you pull this tag back, it'll tell you how much you pay for the box. I be having a bunch of them, so I forget sometimes. This box was $11.50, and then you gotta add the $50 for the shipping. So we got a $1,200 Soul Supremacy box. I had 3 boxes come in, so I went and grabbed one, brought it up here to the unit, so I can share with you guys. Figured I'll make a video since it's been a minute. I told y'all I was gonna try to do better this year, so that's what we're gonna try to do. 1,150 bucks and $50 for the shipping, man. I missed the YouTube community, so I need to get a video out so I can chop it up with y'all in the comments and in my DMs on Instagram. Your boy been busy, man. I've been here in town. We did a little show at the GOAT downtown, the GOAT restaurant downtown. Did my first booth by myself. It was pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. I appreciate all the local love. If you watching this, I know a lot of y'all sub to the channel right there on the spot at the event. So appreciate all y'all, man. It was dope meeting a lot of y'all, and man, it was really dope meeting a lot of y'all from the Facebook group that we got here in town. Y'all know I go hard in that Facebook group, and I haven't met everybody, but it's we like each other's pictures and all that cool stuff. So it was dope to finally meet some of y'all. Man, I'm tired. Boy just got off work, ran home, grabbed the box, and I wanted to get a video out this weekend for y'all. 11.50, man. Let's get back on track. We got some alternate 89s. First out the box. I haven't had these in a while. These look like they need a good little cleaning, but overall not bad. These are 4s, so I know they're gonna sell pretty fast. These are a size 10, if I didn't say. Make sure. Yeah, size 10, no box. Still got plenty of stars on the bottom. Just need a good cleaning. 4s. 4s going crazy right now. 4s are going crazy right now. That's what everybody wants. I need a pair of black cat 4s. I'm simple like that. I just need an all black pair. I think I see the money shoe in this box, and it's a Lucy. It's a Lucy, yeah. We got a beat up box here, size 13 women, 11.5. Nike Dunk Low SP. Brazil Dunks, size 11.5. Make sure this is the right box. These are big. These are 11.5. Brazil Dunks. The leather quality is pretty good on these. I realize a lot of the Dunks, man, the leather is not the same. But these are actually pretty good. They creased up. These are actually pretty beat. Size 11.5, so they will be priced accordingly. This is a lot of green and yellow for me. Not my cup of tea, but dunks seem to be the wave too. I sold a lot of dunks at the show. Set that right there. I need to reorganize this unit. Size 10 on the Air Max CBs. I had a triple black pair I sold y'all. I know what y'all would have kept them. I like these. Bring me back that 90s vibes. Make sure it's the right size. These are the right size. Size 10. This is like the 2015 release, 2016 release. Fire shoe. Fire shoe. I wish they didn't yellow, like right here. But overall, not bad. Somebody took care of them. They just kind of yellow with age. Nothing too crazy so far for 11.50 bucks. See what else we got. I see another banger there. All right, I know what 2 shoes I'm gonna save for the last now. 10.5. We got my size. We got a Hirachi, an Air Trainer Hirachi. Size 10.5 on these. We got both of them for y'all. Look like a cool little olive colorway. Got army fatigue right here. Not bad. I actually like these shoes. I wanted them back in the day. I had a few pair colorways. They're pretty comfortable too. Nike Hirachi. I just bought a pair of triple blacks for the gym. Not this model, but a pair of Hirachis. Size 10.5. Not bad. I won't be keeping them, so they will be going up for grabs. All right. Trying to hurry up. I thought about trying to do 2 videos in one day for y'all, but I only grabbed one, so I doubt that I get 2 videos for y'all. We already know what's in this box. 10.5. I already have them though. I already have them, so I don't need them. You guys can tell from the box what they are. Lightnings. And they got some shoe trees. I love that, man. Fun fact, I've never bought shoe trees. Every time I've gotten shoe trees, they come in shoes. I guess Soul just, they don't care, they give us shoe trees. I got so many pair of them now from all the years of doing this, but I've never bought a pair of shoe trees. They always come in the shoes for me. Check these out. I had these in the person. This is actually, man, this is one of my favorite fours. I know it's a general release and I got Travis Scott's and I got all that stuff, but this is a fire shoe to me. I love it. It's just bright, pops, tell what it is from a distance. Super dope. I did a trade for mine last year or the year before, I can't remember. Whatever year they came out, and I didn't get them soon enough in the box. And some dude hit me up, and he had them, and I had some Supreme something. I don't remember what it was. I want to say it was Supreme. I think it was a Dunk. I'm not sure what it was, but I did a trade and I got mine. So these will be up for grabs. What do I want to go with next? Let me go with this box next. I got 3 pair left, y'all. Jordan 4 Retro size 12. Ooh, got a good one right here. 4s, like I said, have been doing really well. I've actually never had this shoe before. The Jordan 4 black canvas. If I'm not mistaken, this shoe kind of set for like, what, a week or 2? And now they resell. Is what, 400, 450, something like that? Black canvas Jordan 4s. What y'all think about these? It's my first time seeing them in hand. They cool. I just want the black hats. Just give me the black hats and I'm straight. But not bad. I'm not really a big fan of canvas material either. I'll take new book over that. My bad, y'all. I'll check these out later. Size 12 on these though. Not a bad pickup. Size 12 on these. Jordan 1s. Yes, we knew what they were. Before, we got the little receipt thing here. No. We got the, man, these things are laced up like tight. Do that, man. Lost and found joints, a little creased up right here. Not bad at all, lost and found. I had these before in this same size. Somebody bought a mystery box from me and they got them. And I haven't got them in my size yet. In that 10.5 or a 10.5. But this is a dope shoe, man. You can't go wrong with this. I got all the Breads and Royal Shadows, all that. I don't have Chicago's in my personal collection. These seem to have all the stars on there. Good old shoe. These are clean. These will sell real fast. All right, last shoe I think is the money shoe. Presto's Off-White, the 10 size 12 on these also, with the tag on there. I need these in a 10.5 also. These would have been dope to wear to the show. Be on your feet all day, man. I was up walking around for like, well, I wasn't really walking around too much. I was just chilling, sitting down, but I was on my feet enough for them to hurt a little bit. I wish I would have had some Prestos or something. Off-Whites. These gotta be the money shoe. I haven't had these in a while. I got them when they first dropped a couple years back. Really easy to rock. Really easy to get some fits going with these. No box, unfortunately. I got a few Presto Off-Whites too. They came in some boxes maybe like 3 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. So I've been getting a lot of Off-White stuff. So if y'all get some mystery boxes from me, you'll probably be getting some Off-Whites in there. Shout out to everybody who bought a mystery box from me. I haven't shipped out one in probably about a week and a half, and just been doing a whole bunch of eBay, GOAT, and like I said, the show, and a lot of local transactions. I just did a few earlier today right after work, so your boy is tired. I'm ready to go home, take a shower, and chill, but I wanted to get this box out to you guys just to have a video, something for the weekend. I'm gonna put a little bit of footage I got from the show. It's like a little 30-second, 1 minute long clip. Had made at the show, just so y'all can see what it was about. Again, appreciate everybody who I met and who followed me and subbed to me on the YouTube and all that stuff, and pretty sure we're gonna be able to work out a lot of deals locally. That's always a great help when it comes to moving some of this inventory. Make sure you follow me on the for sale page on Instagram, TGOTSOLE for sale. Check the story highlights. I got a bunch of kicks, and everything is mainly in the story highlights. I'm gonna keep that like going daily. I'm gonna try at least get a pair, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of shoes up daily on that Instagram page. Just hit that story highlights. Everything that's on there is still available, and the prices will include the shipping. So I think that's gonna conclude this video. Again, thank you to everyone who's been showing me love, hitting me up. Leave a comment down below what y'all think about this box. $11.50 plus the $50 shipping. I think I got a $1,400 box. I know I got a $1,400 box at the house. I should have brought that one, but maybe I'll get a video shot for that one. No promises. Man, y'all make sure y'all hit that sub button if you're new here. If you just stumbled up on this video, hit the sub button, hit the notification bell. I'm super inconsistent, but when I do post, y'all will be the first to get it. That's gonna conclude this video. I'm out. Peace.